You'll have to look at it later. I think it talks and tells stories.
Okay, let me see. Andy wants to play the Twilight Sparkle.
Yeah.
He's Twilight Sparkle. Tiny Ponytail Adventures. I can also sing songs with you. I'm so lucky to have a good friend like you. See you soon.
Pretty sure they both like it.
Wow. Okay, look at that. This book came with books.
Those are books.
Yeah.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Can we open that?
Yeah, open that.
Open this. You gotta open all the presents first.
Andy likes to play the piano. Andy likes to play the piano.
See what the other present Andy bought you is. Open in your hands, honey. You have it in your hands right now.
Mhm.
Another Hello Kitty.
Andy, good job picking that out, buddy.
Yeah. That's another present for Andy.
For Andy?
From Andy.
They can't stand. She's on a chair.
Hey, bud.
Nope.
Do you have any filters?